Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and it is Monday, March 12th, 2012. This week marks the we're entering the fourth year into this bull rally, and the markets have been fairly strong. However, we're seeing thunder in the distance, or we're hearing thunder in the distance, and we're seeing some technical things rolling over. And before we get into it, a couple things here. We do have mentorship coming up this weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. You'll have to take Monday off. It is the best 3 days of education you will ever have in your life. This is the time for you to start making some money, some real money in the markets. And all you have to do is send us a email to inquire at mentor@groktrade.com. Send you off a video, and it'll tell you everything you need to know about the mentorship. And hopefully you have a chance to talk with Carolina and see if there's a match. Anyway, check this out. We have the Dow, we have the S&P, both in positive territory. Dow beating out everybody. However, you have Russell's and Nasdaq not doing so hot. So look at those that leading the markets to the downside. However, banks in positive territory. VIX dropping a whopping, gang, get this, 8.6%. Now watch this. The VIX is at an extreme low right now at 15.64. This is huge, very, very low. When the VIX is low, it's time to go. This is thunder in the distance. Watch that closely. Gold down 0.8%. Silver down 1.8%. Crude oil off by almost 1%. Commodities took a big hit today. And the US dollar down just slightly, which gave a little bit of buoyancy to the markets as a whole. Now tomorrow, big news is coming out. We have retail sales coming out 1 hour before the markets open, so that is 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. We also have the Fed. They're coming out with their rate decision tomorrow at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, so be watching that. Big day of news tomorrow. But what I want you to feast your eyes on is the S&P daily. This could be the makings, gang, of a big double top. What we have on Monday is a lower high. You can see this right here, higher low. So you have an inside trading day with a doji. So you have a doji after an extended run. This run did not pierce or go higher than the previous swing high. This is relative weakness. If we do drop, the number I'm going to give you that I want you to pay special attention to is 1366. If we close at 1365 or lower, it could be one big nasty red candlestick right here. We do have support around 1356. 1357 area. We do have support. We also have support at 1362, which happens to be the 20-day moving average also. However, can we go bearish on this drop? The answer is no. The reason being is because with this line coming across and this one coming higher, you are in an ascending triangle, and ascending triangle is more bullish than it is bearish. And I would really recommend that you go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com if you're not already there. Click on Chart School and learn as much as you can there. And if you haven't gone through the 101 courses, they are free tutorials on trading. If you're new to trading, get in the 101 courses. Just sign up, get in there. It's free. It's going to be 6 courses and 30 lessons, and take you almost 5 hours or 4.5 hours to go through. All right, now if we do start to break down, this could be the makings of a double top trend reversal pattern, and that could bode very poorly for the markets as a whole. Now on the weekly chart, you can see this. For the week, we're just getting started here. But if we do get a double top on the daily chart right here, we could have a sizable multi-week drop, because we have gone up roughly 11 sessions, 11 weeks without any sizable retracement yet. So that's something we're watching for. Let me show you the Dow. The Dow hasn't even made it to this swing high yet. It's starting to roll over already. You can see this with these highs dissipating in the height that they're making. If it does drop, this could break our rising wedge formation. We do have a bearish divergence on the MACD centered oscillator. If I go down here to the Nasdaq, we are right here, man. Boom, and then boom, we hit these two swing highs areas, and it's having a hard time punching through this. If we do drop, this could be your big M for murder. Ooh. Send shivers. If you're a bull, make sure that you're not a bull or a bear in the markets. You need to be always quick and nimble. You want to be a bull or a bear depending on whatever the markets are showing us, not what you think's going to happen. So right now I'm in a lot of cash. I hold a couple long positions, but not very many at all. And if the markets do start breaking down, I will be starting to add short positions to take advantage of a nice drop if it wants to give me one of those. So take a look at the Russells. The Russells, look at this. We come up, we're down below the 20-day moving average. It's showing relative weakness compared to the other ones that we've been looking at here. We can't even make it up to these highs like we're seeing on the S&P and the Nasdaq. So let's come up, and if we start to drop, this will be our first lower swing high that we've had in a long time. So the first thing that we'll want to drop are small caps, so watch the Russells 2000 very closely. If we go lower, here's your number, lower than 811. So if we're 810 or lower on a close, watch for continuation or a multi-day down leg for the rest of the week. Now, I talked about this danger coming into the weekend edition video. The weekend edition video goes into a lot more detail. We look at weekly charts, we look at monthly charts. I would highly recommend that you go back to that and watch it. You can watch it there on the website or there at YouTube. Hey, if you're there on YouTube, click like and certainly click subscribe so you never miss one of these videos ever again. And if you haven't done so yet, click on stocks. Don't just click on broad markets and watch my videos. Click on stocks and watch Mark's videos. His videos are tremendous, and he's actually showing real live trades that he's in, how he gets in, where he gets out, and they're fantastic, so don't miss out. Take care, safe trading to each and every one of you, and hope you inquire about the mentorship coming up this weekend. Looking forward to having you.